Here I have Realme Narzo 50i Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings. But firstly you have to switch to the front camera, of course. So let's take one photo with this feature enabled and another one with it, like, I don't know, it wasn't disabled by default, so let's take another one with it enabled. And as you can see, these both photos, they like mirrored. And yeah, that's how you can switch this feature. Here you have mirror reflection. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.